So what is the science behind making lip balm, and how will different age groups understand these concepts? So we'll start from grades kindergarten to 3rd, so early elementary school. At this grade level, students know that when 2 or more substances are combined, a new substance may be formed with properties that are different from those of the original materials. They also know matter has 3 forms: solid, liquid, and gas, and that evaporation and melting are changes that occur when the objects are heated. These changes involve a change from one form of matter to another. So you can show the kids the various ingredients in lip balm and let them touch the beeswax, for example. What properties does beeswax have? Is it solid, liquid, or gas? What properties do honey or almond oil have? Beeswax looks like a solid, and honey and almond oil are liquids. Beeswax is almost a liquid at room temperature, and it melts to form a liquid at higher temperatures. If we mix almond oil with beeswax, the properties of this new substance are different than the original materials, since we get material that is somewhere in between a liquid and a solid. In other words, a soft solid. For students in grades 4 through 5, so late elementary school, they know how to measure and estimate the weight, length, or volume of objects. The differences in chemical and physical properties of substances are also used to separate mixtures and identify compounds. In addition, they can follow a set of written instructions for a scientific investigation. Afterwards, they can rate lip balm on look, taste, and feel in comparison to balm made as demo or their friend's lip balm. Students between grades 6 through 8 know that energy can be carried from one place to another by heat flow. Heat flow in solids by conduction, which involves no flow of matter, and in fluids by conduction and by convection, which involves flow of matter. Heat energy is also transferred between objects by radiation. Radiation can travel through space. Students can select and use appropriate tools and technology to perform tests or collect and display data. Students also know that compounds are formed by combining 2 or more different elements, and that compounds have properties that are different from their constituent elements. The state of matter depends on molecular motion, that in solids the atoms are closely locked in position and can only vibrate. In liquids, the atoms and molecules are more loosely connected and can collide with and move past one another. And in gases, the atoms and molecules are free to move independently, colliding frequently.